The scheme established under the Queensland Building and Construction Commission Act 1991 provides consumers protection when a licensed contractor performs insurable residential construction work. If the property that you purchase includes a residence that is less than 6 years and 6 months old covered by the scheme, you may be entitled to make a claim in respect of defects in the residence under the statutory insurance policy. While we can undertake a search to establish whether a statutory insurance policy is in place for the property you purchase, whether or not a claim is accepted under the policy may depend on issues such as the nature of the defect and when you became aware of the defect. It is beyond the scope of our retainer to advise on the statutory insurance or any issues which may impact on or limit your coverage. You may wish to contact the Queensland Building and Construction Commission, the QBCC, if you have any concerns. The seller will be an owner-builder if the building work has been carried out on the property by a person who is not licensed to carry out that building work and the land is offered for sale within 6 years after the building work is completed. In that case, before the contract is signed, the seller must give you a notice in duplicate which contains details of the building work and states that the work has been carried out under an owner-builder permit by the person named in the notice. The notice must also include a warning required by the Queensland Building and Construction Commission Regulation 2003. You must sign one copy of the notice and return it to the seller on or before signing the contract. If a required notice and warning are not given as set out above, the seller will be taken to have given a contractual warranty that the building work was properly carried out. This means that if the work turns out not to have been properly carried out, then rather than being able to claim under the QBCC statutory insurance regime, if it applies to the property, you may only have a right to claim compensation from the seller. Please let us know if you are aware of the seller having conducted any work as an owner-builder or if you have received any notice from the seller.